Alright, so this is a test. We got the solenoid actually hooked up in line with all the trigger, mech trigger stuff still in there, but it's normally on, so the solenoid should work. I actually did this earlier. I know it works, but board, eyes, that's actually the UTV there, tiny little thing. And so I'll turn it on. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and put it in eyes off mode, so just the red flash, and you can see that I'm getting the clicking from the solenoid, so let's air it up. That's not going to work. Give me a second. Alright, so it's super low PSI right now, like 20. The only reason is because this is my apartment and it's kind of loud. I definitely just flipped the camera over. Anyways, so let's, and you can actually see in the, that's really difficult to see. Let me see if I can shine. Okay, so you can actually see the bolt right now. You'll see. Super hard to see on the camera, but the bolt is actually retracting. Alright. So, eyes on mode, and you can see the closed bolt logic work because there's nothing blocking the eyes right now. The eyes are completely unblocked. So you're going to see you're going to hear the 250 millisecond timeout, where essentially we don't want to waste power by having the solenoid open, so it times out and closes the bolt, but Alright, and if you actually block the eyes, do it on the board here with my finger, it will fire much faster. So that's simulating, having a ball ready as soon as the eye is sensing. So yeah. Now I have a lot of soldering to do, and not enough heat shrink tubing. Oh well.